Hello, my name is Nick, and today I will be talking about Hats AI. Hats AI is a brand new tool that Intelos is now supporting, and this is the login page that you'll see once you get signed on to it. You should be able to see organization automations, community automations, but today I want to specifically talk about the chat feature. So we go up here to chat and we come to a very familiar text box if you've ever used AI before. Hats AI is a little bit different. You're able to actually use all AI models under one umbrella. So for example, right now Gemini 2.5 Pro is selected, but if I wanted ChatGPT 5, I could just go ahead and select that. There are countless models on here. If we go to view all models, you should be able to see in detail what each model is, what they're good at. It will tell you right here at the bottom. So, like for example, Claude 3.5 Sonnet 2 is good for vision and tools. And then if you want to get even more specific into it, you can go down here and go to reasoning or tool use, the advanced models. So really anything that you're looking for. I am going to keep this on ChatGPT 5 just for this example. You also have access to a bunch of tools with Hats AI. Some of them require you to connect your accounts to them. For example, you will need to connect to Microsoft Outlook if that's something that you are interested in. But they have a bunch of different options, and these are being added quite frequently every single time that I take a look at this. Um, but you could also just use the ones that don't require you to link an account, like the Google search, Firecrawl, Google Maps, etc. Uh, you're also able to upload your own files. Say you needed a model to go through and look at a particular document, you could upload that document, send it here, and then put in your prompt for the AI. Just to give a rundown of how this works, for example, uh, I could just have it to generate me a hat. And then that gets sent off over to the ChatGPT servers. But what's nice about this is everything that you put in here is stuck within Hat's AI. So while the question and the query is being sent off to ChatGPT, all of the important information that I provided it stays right here. It just links to that model, so all of your information is synced, secure, and you don't have to worry about it being used as training data. Uh, it does take a little bit of time, but you're also able to click here and see exactly what it's doing. And there we are. It generated a photo of a hat. This is just an overview of the chat feature. There will be more videos that go into details about the workshop, automation tools, and how to set up agents. Thank you very much.